Okay guys, this is Eclipse.
Yeah, '09 Eclipse.
Yeah, Eclipse '09. So we have to replace the alternator. So that's the, you got to remove the tire right there. So that's the pulley, and that's the tension right there. So you gotta hook it up with that access hole in order to be able to loosen the belt a little bit. That's Sean right there. So we gotta remove that one. We gotta replace it because it keeps on dying. Okay, see you in a bit.
There you go.
Okay, there you go. Me and Sean working. So there it goes, right there to here, and going to the altar. Oh, too bright. Okay. You got any, oh, I got it. Here, Sean. Heck yeah, we got it. There you go. That's Sean.
Is that your wife?
That's Dad.
Is that your wife?
No, I'm gonna call her right now. Probably she's pissed right now.
Oh my God. That's right. She's in Philippines.
Alternator. Okay. Take it easy. Right. Okay. We gotta remove this, remove that, remove this.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
You got that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's fine. That's good.